Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing CapCut tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use a free CC pack like After Effects in CapCut. You'll learn how to add professional color corrections, use cinematic color presets, and make your videos look clean, vibrant, and professional. So make sure to watch the video until the end so you can easily use this free CC pack in your CapCut edits and give your videos an AE-like look. Let's get started.